So you've been thinking about getting a new hardware wallet, but you don't want to pay the enormous price tag. Well, DCENT Wallet to the rescue. This is their new all-in-one card, and it's extremely convenient and compact, and it has all of the functionality of a traditional hardware wallet, but without compromising security. It's extremely cheap, and if you check the link below, you can actually get a discount on this already amazing value product. So let's jump into this card and see exactly what it's all about and how to get set up. So right off the bat, as you can expect, the DCENT packaging is always absolutely incredible and very simplistic. And if you open this up, here's what you're greeted with. Some instructions here on the left, and obviously the card right and front in the center. One thing that I will say is that if you do purchase this, you get an additional card. This is a backup card, which is pretty great for those who are forgetful. So that's always good. But the card itself looks great. Let me try not to reveal anything here. That's what the back looks like. You've obviously got the chip here, the NFC chip, and it actually looks really good. But if you are going to get one of these, please use the link in the description because you can get 25% off. They're only actually $30 right now, plus postage and packaging, which is extremely good value. So over to the process of actually getting this set up on your phone. So all you have to do is start by putting the wallet next to your phone, and you should be greeted with this message here. Go through the process. Do you want to open this in the App Store? And then all you have to do is download the DCENT Wallet app. If you've already downloaded this, you won't need to do it again, so don't worry about that. And after you open it, you should be greeted with a screen like this, and it talks you through some of the tutorials on what you can expect from the DCENT application. You can skip this if you want, but it's always worth reading in my opinion. And we just go through this wizard. It's actually really intuitive and very easy to do. And when you get to this screen, it asks you to scan your card. And this is actually just a process of connecting your card to the application itself. So all you have to do is hold the card to the back of your phone so that the NFC chip can actually connect, right? Now here's an important step, and this is the backup. You want to actually back up your account, because if you don't and you lose your cards for whatever reason, then you may be in trouble. One thing that I will say, which is very important, is that this secret phrase should never be shared. The secret phrase is a secret. The clue's in the name. If anyone tries to tempt you to bring this out of you, just disregard them because they are likely trying to scam you. Now, I'm just going through the process of backing up my keys by writing this down and reaffirming this in the app. And once you've done that, you can actually start to add assets to your account. Now, DCENT Wallet, they provide support for many different apps, including Songbird and also the Flare token. All you have to do is add the asset that you want to add, and then you're going to be able to actually receive it by clicking on the asset and then just basically clicking on receive and getting your address and then sending an asset there. As you can see, I actually just sent a very small amount of SGB. Now, of course, you can also use the actual inbuilt DCENT browser. So this is what I'm doing here, and this is just for demonstration purposes. I've gone to FTSO AU to delegate, and basically it's just a process as you would normally expect. You can delegate from this application, you can visit NFT marketplaces or participate in DeFi. The wallet is pretty much as you would expect from any other hardware wallet, but obviously at a fraction of the price. For me personally, I think it's an absolutely incredible offer. You get this really convenient card, you get a backup, and all for $30 using the link below. If you are interested in purchasing one of these wallets while also supporting the channel, please feel free to check the link below where you can get 25% off and get one of these cards for just $30. I'd like to give a big shout out to DCENT Wallet. I'd like to thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.